Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. Whether you need to troubleshoot formatting issues, reuse code for future campaigns, or simply archive your email templates, knowing how to retrieve the HTML is an essential skill for any marketer working in HubSpot. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. Enter your account credentials to sign in. Once you're logged into your HubSpot dashboard, you'll have access to all your marketing tools and email campaigns. Next, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll want to hover over or click on Marketing to reveal the various marketing options available to you. From this expanded menu, click on Email to open your email dashboard. This is where all your email campaigns, both draft and sent, are stored and organized for easy access. Now that you're in the email dashboard, take a moment to locate the specific email you want to view the HTML for. You can browse through your list or use the search function if you have many campaigns. Once you've found the email, click on its name to open the detail view. This page contains all the information about your email campaign, including performance metrics and settings. On the email's detail page, look for a link or button that says View Email or View Email in Browser. This option opens the actual email as it appeared to your recipients in their inbox. Click on this link to launch the web version of your email in a new browser window or tab. With the email now displayed in your browser, you're ready to access the HTML source code. Right-click anywhere on the page to bring up the context menu. From the options that appear, select View Page Source. This action will open a new tab showing the complete HTML code that powers your email's layout, design, and content. Finally, you can copy this HTML for your records or future use. In the HTML view, select all the content by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac, then right-click and choose Copy, or simply use Ctrl+C or Command+C. You can then paste this HTML into any text editor to save or modify it as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.